It's Miss Jennifer here at BRAHM, and today I'm going to help you do a lesson inspired by the late artist Henri Matisse and his colorful cutouts. We are going to create something kind of like this with a background and individual cut pieces of paper. You might decide to put figures, plants, flowers. Maybe it'll just be abstract shapes. It's up to you. So let's get started. So today's artist, Henri Matisse, was bedridden for the last part of his life. Usually a painter and a sculptor, he did not let his physical limitations limit his creative powers. Instead, he took up making cutouts. He would cut large pieces of painted papers into exciting and vibrant shapes and arrange them into compositions. These compositions became some of his most well-known work. So here we are, ready to create our Matisse-inspired cutout collage. You're going to need some colorful papers, a piece for your background, might be white, might be a color, scissors, glue. I'm using just a regular white Elmer's school glue that I diluted just a touch with some water and an old paintbrush. You might also want a pencil. If you don't have liquid school glue, an Elmer's or other brand of glue stick will work just fine. If you don't have colored papers, you can use white paper and paint your own colors, and then after those are dry, use those to cut out. So my piece today has two figures, some Matisse-inspired shapes, and you can use things that look like leaves or flowers, just abstract shapes. You could add figures to yours. It's really up to you. So my first step is going to be to draw some shapes on my pieces of colored paper. If you don't want to draw first, you can just go straight to cutting shapes out of your colored papers like so, and go from there. So I've got some shapes here that I've drawn to cut out. I made a figure and kind of a leaf shape. So I'll cut those out along with a few more pieces, and I'll be right back in a minute so we can arrange and glue our pieces. Pieces cut from your colorful papers. I have spiral shapes, leaf shapes, just some funny little abstract curves and waves, a figure, and just some more basic geometric shapes like a square and kind of just a large slash mark. So what I'm going to do is get my large background sheet of paper, and I'm going to set that in my workspace. And first I'm going to practice arranging my shapes to make a composition that I like. Once I have that arranged, I'll take the pieces off to glue them. So now I'm going to carefully move these pieces off my background, trying to remember where each piece goes so that I can start to glue. I'm going to start with the largest pieces that are in the back and move from there. I get a little bit of my glue and I'm going to set the piece over to the side and just paint it lightly with a layer of glue, trying to get the whole shape painted evenly. Then I'll flip my piece and try to remember where I had arranged it and gently smooth it down. Now you might use a glue stick, but the process would be the same either way. So for each piece, I'll paint it with glue, then carefully turn it back over and press it onto my background. Okay, I've carefully glued all my pieces, and what do you think? I can't wait to see your Matisse cutouts. Don't forget to email photos to Jennifer@blowingrockmuseum.org. See you next week.